Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it. Alright guys, welcome back to this video. Today we're comparing three major players in the DIY home security world: Cove, SimpliSafe, and Ring Alarm. Each offers a unique mix of affordability, smart features, and flexibility. If you're deciding which one to trust with your home in 2025, this guide will break it all down for you. Cove, budget-friendly, easy setup. Installation, 100% DIY and beginner-friendly, no tools needed. Monitoring, starts at $17.99 a month with professional 24/7 monitoring and cellular backup. Equipment, basic but effective, door-window sensors, motion detectors, and support for indoor cameras. Smart features, limited third-party integration. Best for budget-conscious users who want fast setup and solid monitoring. Has SimpliSafe, trusted and balanced. Installation, DIY with optional professional setup. Monitoring, $19.99 to $29.99 a month for full app control and video verification. Equipment, wide variety, sensors, panic buttons, indoor-outdoor cams, smoke detectors. Smart features, works with Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple Watch. Best for homeowners who want a solid reputation and flexible plans. Ring Alarm, smart home integration king. Installation, DIY and very user-friendly. Monitoring, $20 a month with camera integration and Alexa Guard Plus. Equipment, expands with Ring cameras, doorbells, and smart lighting. Smart features, deep integration with Alexa and Ring ecosystem. Best for smart home users already using Amazon products or Ring devices. Quick comparison chart, feature Cove, SimpliSafe, Ring Alarm. Install type, DIY, DIY optional pro, DIY. Monitoring cost, from $17.99 a month, $19.99 to $99.20 a month. Smart integration, limited, Google Alexa, Alexa Deep, video support, indoor UFI, yes, full Ring system, contracts, no, app control, yes, yes, yes. Which should you choose in 2025? Pick Cove if you're looking for the most affordable plan with easy setup. Go with SimpliSafe if you want a well-rounded system with great hardware and solid monitoring. Choose Ring Alarm if you're already in the Alexa or Ring ecosystem and want seamless smart home integration. Which one fits your lifestyle best? Drop your thoughts below.